Hello guys. Yes, this is the sweets my father-in-law bring for us. Look at this. Kung anong nasa loob niya. It is the doy. In Bangladesh, this is doy. But in our country, this is yogurt. A yogurt sa bato. A yogurt sa banga. Look at this. Looks so yummy. Ang sarap, di ba? Kaya guys, dito mo lang makikita sa Bangladesh yung yogurt sa bato o yogurt sa banga. Tingnan natin yung paglagyan niya. Oops. You see? Very authentic. Yes, you see, as you see that they also have design. Sarap, di ba? Dito lang yan na ang yogurt nilalagay sa bato or sa banga.